Good morning, students. Continue reduction of carbonyl compounds. Now, unsaturated aldehyde. Unsaturated aldehyde means a compound containing double bond. Example: CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. That name is called crotonaldehyde. In IUPAC name, totally four carbons. Four carbon means bute. Double bond present at second carbon. So two ene and end of the carbon present aldehyde added Al. How to write IUPAC name? You know? Okay. React with lithium aluminum hydride LiAlHO in followed by hydrolysis. What happened? That aldehyde group will be added, both side added one hydrogens. So write the answer CH3 CH double one CH CH2 OH. That common name is called crotyl alcohol. IUPAC name first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So four carbon used in bute. Second carbon having double bond, two ene. First carbon having alcohol, so OL. The two more in the previously only aldehyde or ketone, only one functional group present. Now two or more functional group present reactions. Reduction of aldehyde. Example RCO CH2 CH2 COOH. That is COOH is called acid or carboxylic acid. CO is called ketone. That is two more functional group present. How will you reduction of carbonyl compounds? Both are carbonyl compounds. So sodium borohydride NaBH4 followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. What happens changes? The ketone will be changes. Ketone will be changes means carbon side one hydrogen, oxygen side one hydrogen is added. So write the name RCHOK CH2 CH2 COOH. Here alcohol, here acids. So first will be right where means alcohol numbering starting 1, 2, 3, 4. First methyl group will be added 4 alkyl. 4 alkyl. R is the alkyl group. Next functional group 4 hydroxy. Remaining 4 carbon bute. That acid present, acid suffix name ic acid. So name is completed. Now preparations of glycol. Preparations of glycol. Glycol formula CH2OH CH2OH. The IUPAC name ethane 1,2 diols. The first carbon, second carbon. So the ethane 1,2 diols. Prepared from ethene. Prepared from ethene. Ethene formula CH2 double bond CH2. Hydrolysis. That hydrolysis used H2O and oxidations O. that is used for catalyst Bayer reagent. That Bayer reagent nothing but Bayer reagent. Bayer reagent nothing but gold. Already you know fourth lesson term. Gold alkaline potassium permanganate is given the oxygen atom. So another way we told dihydroxylations. Dihydroxylations. That means 2 OH group is added. How many OH group is added? Di means 2, hydroxy means OH. The 2 OH group is added. The double bond will be broken. Both side added 1 OH group. See the product. Only one preparations. Preparation of glycerol. Glycerol formula CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Glycol is the dihydric alcohols. Glycerol is the trihydric alcohols. That IUP is name propane. 3 carbon means propane. 1, 2, 3 triol. 1, 2, 3 triol. Come to the preparations. The preparation is called saponifications. Why called the name means the soap industry will be prepared. Finally, glycerol with the soap is prepared. So saponification reactions. That first one product CH2 O C double bond O CH2 4 times CH3 CHO C double bond O CH2 4 times CH3 CH2O C double bond O CH2 4 times CH3 react with 3NaOH is heated. What happened? That oxygen carbonyl bond will be broken. That left side added H, right side added NaOH. HNaO. HNaO. Come to the product CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. Remaining NaO, C double bond O, CH2 4 times CH3. That is the 3 times will be present. What will be present? 3 NaO, C double bond O, CH2 4 times CH3. That is the leaving group. That is called soap. Main product CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. That name is given glycerol. All propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Next topic differentiated between primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. First test Lucas test. Lucas test catalyst anhydrous zinc chloride with concentrated HCl. That is 1 mark side important. Lucas test means you have to come to the mind anhydrous zinc chloride with concentrated HCl. 3 alcohols will be written. First one tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol example tertiary butyl alcohols. tertiary butyl alcohols. These were tertiary butyl alcohols. Secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohols. Isopropyl alcohols. Primary alcohol example, ethanol, CH3CH2OH. All are react with what? Anhydrous zinc chloride with concentrated HCl. Anhydrous zinc chloride with concentrated HCl. Anhydrous zinc chloride, the concentrated HCl. What happened means the OH group replaced by Cl. OH group replaced by Cl. Remaining H2O is eliminated. H2O is eliminated. See the product. Cl remaining no changes. CH3, CH3, CH3. CH3, Cl, CH3, CH2, Cl. That product will be formed means that product method turbidity will be formed. The turbidity means immediately appearance of turbidity. Solution is not clear. Yes, slowly appearance of turbidity. Slowly appearance of turbidity. Third one, turbidity appears only heatings. Turbidity appears only on heating. That actually CH3, CH2 will be obtained, but anhydrous zinc chloride HCl means no reaction will be obtained. On heating means at room temperature turbidity will be appearance. Next, Victor-Meyer test. Victor-Meyer test. That primary alcohol means red color produced. Secondary alcohol means blue color produced. Tertiary alcohol means no color. That means colorless. So simply written first letter means RBC. That R means red color, B means blue color, C means colorless. Then primary, secondary, tertiary. That is 1 mark side important. You will see the step 1. Primary alcohol example ethanol. Already previous test also is same. Ethanol react with phosphorus iodide. What happened means that OH group replaced by iodide. So CH3, CH2I. The second step react with silver nitrate, AgNO2. The iodide replaced by NO2, CH3, CH2NO2. The third step react with nitrous acid, HONO, otherwise write HNO2. So what happened means that releasing of water molecule. That releasing of water molecule means that H2 and oxygens will be released. So remaining CH3, CNO2, NOH. The last step react with KOH, potassium hydroxide. That removal of water molecules. removal of water molecule, remaining CH3 CNO2 NOK. That compound will be red color. That compound will be red colors. Second preparation, second test, isopropyl alcohols. Same method will be followed. First step what? Phosphorus iodide. So phosphorus iodide will be react. What happened? OH replaced by I. CH3 CH3 I. Second step what? AgNO2. So I replaced by AgNO2. CH3 CH3 NO2. Third step AgHONO. HONO. Here only one hydrogen. So OH also taken. So remaining CH3 CH3 NO2 N double bond O. Next fourth step potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. That here not having hydrogen, so no reactions. So compound getting which color? Blue color. Next tertiary alcohol. CH3 CH3 CH3. First step phosphorus iodide. What happened? OH replaced by iodines. I. Remaining all are no changes. Second step AgNO2. What happened? I replaced by NO2. Fourth term HONO. That previously primary alcohol means HONO reactive means two hydrogen easily eliminated water molecule. Here one hydrogen easily eliminated but no more hydrogen presence. So no reaction. That is the colorless compound. Primary alcohol means red color will be given. Secondary alcohol means blue color. Tertiary alcohol means colorless. So called RBC. Called RBC. That R means red color, B means blue color, C means colorless. That 5 mark side also asked. Otherwise 2 mark, 3 mark side also asked. Carefully practice. With the bonding also very important. Next, physical properties. Lower alcohols, lower alcohols are colorless. Lower alcohols are colorless and colorless liquid. Higher alcohols are waxy salt. Higher alcohols are waxy salt. They have both alcohols higher melting point. Higher melting point. And corresponding to aldehydes such as that alkanes, aldehyde, ethers, etc. The presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding present in alcohol. What hydrogen bonding? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding will be present. Isomeric primary alcohols have higher melting point. Isomeric primary alcohol having higher boiling point. And tertiary alcohol lower boiling point. Tertiary alcohol lower boiling point. Why primary alcohol having higher boiling point means due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See the hydrogen bond. That oxygens and this is one alcohol. Again one more alcohol, oxygen, hydrogens, alcohol. Oxygen, hydrogen, alcohol. That partially that is hydrogens, oxygen atom is formed. Dot line showing for hydrogen bonding. Dot line showing hydrogen bondings. Boiling point of alcohol given in the table. So table you have to read. Any doubt means ask me tables. Then what are the given means compound, molecular formula, molar mass, boiling point. That molar mass and boiling point you have to memory. Or how to is calculated molar mass. Chemical properties. First one nucleophilic substitution reactions. First one nucleophilic substitution reactions. You see the reactions. The primary alcohol CH3CH2OH. You know the name. What name? Ethanol. React with the HBr. What happened? Releasing of water molecule. Releasing of water molecule. H2O released. Remaining CH3CH2 Br obtained. That name is called bromo 2 carbons. Br is called bromo. 2 carbon means ethane. Bromo ethane. This reaction followed SN2 mechanism. So mechanism also will be given. See the mechanism. CH3, CH2, oxygen, hydrogen. Oxygen having lone pair. So lone pair electrons attract to hydrogens. The bromine will be eliminated. First step. Now what happens? CH3, CH2, OH, H. Oxygen getting positive charge. The leaving bromine, second step will be attacked. Attack for carbonyl carbons. So H2O will be released. So what happened? Product will be obtained. CH3, CH2, Br minus H2O. That is the followed SN2 mechanism. Primary alcohol followed SN2. So now started tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol followed SN1 mechanism. The tertiary alcohol example already you know CH3. Same step will be followed but slightly changes. First step attack for the lone pair of electron attack for hydrogens. So bromine leaved. Bromine eliminations. So what happened? COH H oxygen getting positive charge. Remaining you got to copy down. Above CH3, left also CH3, bottom also CH3. Second step that OH2 means H2O is the leaving group. So what form? Carbocation will be formed. Carbocation will be formed. See positive. That is carbocation. Here two steps will be available. One is the bromine attack step fast. bromine attack step fast. So bromine attack step means that we are added here. Added means what product obtained? Br CH3 CH3 CH3. Tertiary bromide will be obtained. Another one step eliminations of hydrogens and added HBr. That eliminations of hydrogens that what that reversible reactions. The elimination of hydrogen is the where elimination means here one hydrogen will be eliminated. That eliminated means what obtained carbocations here form H2CH2 CH3 CH2. That elimination of H plus. Elimination of H plus. And next step additions of HBr. Next step additions of HBr. Additions of HBr means here double bond will be broken. That here added H, here added Br. So main product will be obtained. Main product will be obtained. Tertiary butyl bromide. Next, conversions of alcohol into alkyde, other method also used. Previously, HBr only used primary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Here, primary alcohol used another method means catalyst will be changed. CH3, CH2, OH. Catalyst will be changed means phosphorus trichloride with pyridine. What happened? That OH replaced by Cl. CH3, CH2, Cl. That easily obtained. They also followed SN2 mechanisms. SN2 mechanism. See the mechanism. CH3, CH2, OH. React with the phosphorus trichloride. So PCl, here one Cl, here one Cl. First step that lone pair of electron attack to phosphorus, one chlorine is eliminations minus Cl. Remaining what happened? CH3, CH2, OH, PCl2. That oxygen getting positive charge. Now react with the pyridine. Using bond, don't ring. Using bond, don't ring. That lone pair of electron attract hydrogens. So oxygen bond going leave. See the product. CH3, CH2, O, PCl2. So remaining eliminations. Now releasing chlorine will be attacked. Releasing chlorine will be attacked. Releasing chlorine attacked by oxygen atom, positive charge. So eliminations of PCl2. Elimination of PCl2. CH3, CH2, Cl will attain. That first step eliminating chlorine attack for oxygen atom. So PCl2 removed. PCl2 removed. So product will be obtained. Another one reactions also followed. That here taking methanol. Methanol formula CH3OH react with SOCl2 gives pyridine. Gives pyridine. What happened? That left side on Cl, right side on Cl. So center SO. So product CH3Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. This reaction also followed SN2 mechanism. This reaction also followed SN2 mechanism. Next, elimination reactions. Elimination reaction means within a molecule, removal of water molecule. For first one, primary alcohol. Primary alcohol formula CH3, CH2, OH. And concentrated in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid 443 kelvins. What happened means that OH group and hydrogen is eliminated. So remaining CH3 one hydrogen means CH2 double bond CH2 plus water molecules is continued reduction will be followed hydrogen nickel. That hydrogen nickel means that both side added one hydrogens. Both side added one hydrogens. Ethanol to what is the compound? Ethane. Ethanol to ethylene. So two conversions will be present. Ethanol to ethane also present. Ethanol to ethylene also present.